How to find saved reels on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do if we want to save a reel on our Instagram is to tap on this button right here. And let's say we want to save this specific reel right here. All we have to do is to tap on these three dots right here and click on save. Now, in order for us to find where the saved reels are stored, all we have to do is to tap on this profile icon right here and click on the three lines on the upper corner. Now, once you're here, all you have to do is to scroll down and tap on Save right here. And it will give you all the posts that you have saved on your Instagram. Now, in order for you to filter to only reels that you have saved on Instagram, all you have to do is to tap this button right here, which is a section of the Save Reels on your Instagram. So if you scroll right here and tap on this one, you will be able to see the reels that you have saved on your Instagram. So that's how to find saved reels on Instagram. Hope we help.